Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with a secret code, so it will allow you to quickly open the proper pop-out window, and the code is *06#. And as you can see, with this code we're provided with the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to tap on My Phone, which should be almost at the top of the list. And here simply tap on Model. And as you can see right here, we've got also the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.